Well, this season for the hurricane will be a lot of names, but some other ways to see what the next year, or like year 23 all the way to year 27 for the hurricanes names or tropical storms names as well. You kind of see on this website. And also I will have a lot of plans for showing you the June month after this intro. Once over here, we are actually going to see what is the June activity happening on this map. This was could be my prediction. Round like some areas will get some hurricanes around Florida region, and also around like the Great Lakes have a chance for like 30% chance of severe weather. But like Idaho area as well, there's a 40% chance of flooding, and also Oklahoma and Kansas and the South Texas, it will be a little bit drier traditional with the weather, and as well as the California originally the area known as the wildfires. This will be much more encouraging about it. It's like 28% as well. Do you know what is going to happen the next couple days about the weather and stuff? Look like a little bit quiet in some areas as well, on like on May 13th tomorrow, but like other days a little bit much more neutral about the where the storm will going to take place will coming up as well. Speaking of storms and stuff, well, I will show you something else. By the Caribbean area as well, you can see a little tropical storm, and it will eventually be a Category 1, and eventually will be a Category 2 hurricane. But it will be on the 26th, will be happening our first storm, first hurricane of year 2022 season will going to beginning. But this will be changing, or when we get a little bit closer, I think we need to just keep on it. But to me, it's just like sooner risk for a chance this hurricane will appearing. But other hand, as like some areas are going to for the severe weather for today, there's a chance for like moderate risk. Some areas around like Idaho, some areas as well. You can kind of see it by the state, the area as well. You can kind of see which area it is happening. Chance for tornadoes as well during that moderate risk. This is where the Texas area and also the eventually the Idaho around this orange region as well. That orange region is called like like hedge risk. That's what it is. And the yellow is slight risk. And the green is just negative risk. This is the first one. And then the fourth risk is the moderate risk. You can kind of see the actually all this region as well, because it's just going to take a really long time for these storms and it's severe going to be eventually be focused on hurricanes. That's why I want to see what is happening, and also my June forecast is it will be the first time ever, but I will try to do more of those. Could be a while as well. What it could be happening during June as well this season, as this severe weather will be taken off to focus on hurricane season. I mean to take off, that means eventually severe it will be over. That's why I mean to take off. Because it will be no more eventually, but the last decrease when we get much more closer. So far, there's no chance for a high risk this year. That's surprising, but it's not over until the fall. We'll keep on it in case will be a very good risk. And just because I really have not a lot of days of the videos because I was lots of things, but I try to do something with my parent about it as well. This does let you know what is going on with the weather and what I'm doing so far. That's all it is for weather wise. This will be my outro. Extreme weather out here.